Spider webs are good to see, but definitely not when its spider web-like veins appear on thighs or legs. It's not good both in aesthetic aspects as well as in health aspect. After childbirth, spider veins can happen either in thighs or in legs. This spider veins happens when the blood, which is pumped to the lower extremities, is not properly returning back to the heart. It can be either due to the retention of blood flown back to the heart or due to the slowing down of blood flown back to the heart. This usually results when there is a weakness of muscle which push the blood backwards, or when there is generalized reduction of blood flow. Whatever it is, once the veins are enlarged, improving the strength of the respective muscle, which help in assisting the blood flow back to the heart, alone won't help in eliminating the varicositis. First, we should give an external support to prevent further enlargement of the veins. Second, we should concentrate on a diet which is rich in protein and vitamins to repair the venous walls. Third, we should increase the generalized blood flow by doing aerobic exercises. Fourth, we should improve the strength of the muscle which assists the blood flow back to the heart. One more important thing. Some people, those who have spider veins, used to apply oil from hip to toe direction. This should be stopped and should start applying from toe to hip direction. Though I mentioned like 1, 2, 3 and 4, everything should happen simultaneously. Hope you started doing the pelvic strengthening exercises and breathing methods which I taught you. You should know all those for better results. First, we'll see how to provide an external support. The easy method is using stockings. But if you don't have it, I'll teach you another method. The method is crisscross spiral bandaging. Sit on a chair and keep the thighs on a stool. Ensure that the part to be bandaged is clean and dry. Now, lay the end of the bandage at the distal end of the area to be bandaged. And then, you wind the bandage under and around the placed area and return back to the starting point. Now you can see an image in the video. You need to wind it like in the image. With each spiral turn, a part of the preceding turn is covered generally by 2/3 of the width of the bandage. You need to bandage it till the end. That means for thighs, start from the knee and end till the hip region. Never do it over broken skin. The bandage should not be so tight. There should not be any gap between the turns. Thanks for watching. Dream of a healthy lady in yourself. Work towards it being a mom.